Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best home products to enhance your living spaces. Today, we're excited to share with you what we believe is the best fall lights plug-in available on the market. The 9FT plug-in Thanksgiving Lights Lighted Fall Garland by Dirnun. This stunning fall garland is not just a simple decoration, it's an enchanting blend of functionality and aesthetics. Perfect for transforming your home into a cozy autumn wonderland. With its impressive length of 9 feet, it outshines many shorter options available. The dense arrangement of maple leaves creates a warm and inviting ambiance, making it ideal for both Halloween and Thanksgiving celebrations. The Dirnun garland features 50 incandescent bulbs that provide a bright yet soft light, ensuring your home feels welcoming without being overwhelming. Whether you're draping it over a fireplace mantle, adorning your front porch, or accenting doorways, this garland seamlessly integrates into any decor style. One of the standout features of this garland is its connectability. Each strand comes equipped with an end-to-end connector, allowing you to link up to 15 strands together. This means you can easily customize the length to fit any space you desire. Imagine the possibilities, covering larger areas for parties or simply creating a longer display that winds around your home. Now, let's talk about durability. This garland is designed for both indoor and outdoor use, built with high-quality materials that are IP44 waterproof rated. So, whether it's sunny, rainy, or even snowy, you can rest assured that this garland will withstand the elements while maintaining its charm. Just remember to keep the plug away from water for safety. Creating a festive atmosphere has never been easier. This garland is perfect for a variety of occasions, be it a Halloween party, a Thanksgiving dinner, or simply adding a touch of seasonal cheer to your everyday decor. The vibrant colors and warm glow will surely impress your guests and brighten your days. Setting up the garland is a breeze. Just plug it in, and you're ready to go. No need for complicated installations or battery changes, which means you can enjoy your fall lights without the hassle. In conclusion, the 9FT plug-in Thanksgiving Lights Lighted Fall Garland by Dirnun is truly a remarkable addition to any home looking to embrace the beauty of fall. With its impressive length, connectability, and weather-resistant design, it's the best fall lights plug-in we've come across. Make sure to check it out, and let your home glow this season. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful product reviews. See you next time.